If you want to learn how to make a call on a Telegram group, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to start a group call, how to switch between video and audio, and how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is great if you want to talk to your friends, your team, or your community without having to message everyone one by one. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram and go into the group where you want to make the call. Once you're inside the group, look at the top of the screen and tap the group name. This opens the group info page where you'll find more options for that group. Now on the group info page, look for the option that says video chat. Tap on video chat to begin the call setup. Telegram will start creating the group call, and once it begins, you'll be able to decide whether you want a normal audio call or a video call. If you want just an audio call, once the video chat starts, tap the camera icon to turn it off. This will switch the call from video mode to audio only mode. That means people can still hear you, but your camera will be disabled. This is a good choice if you want a simple voice conversation or if you don't want to be on camera. If you do want a video call instead, then just leave the camera on. That way, everyone in the call can see your video feed while you talk. It's that easy. Telegram makes it very simple to move between audio and video, depending on what you need. So just to recap, open the Telegram group, tap the group name at the top, select video chat, and then either turn the camera off for audio or leave it on for video. In just a few taps, you can start a group call on Telegram and connect with everyone right away. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful app guides, social media tips, and simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.